From the moment that I met you till the night that you left, I thought that I had heard it all, but I hadn't heard nothing yet. 'Cause when you're in your darkest hour and silence moves on in, you're left with nothing more than voices in the wind. When I hear the world a-turning, the man crying on the moon, that's when I know there ain't nothing I can do. That's the sound of a lonely sneaking up on me. That's the sound of a heartbreak calling my name. As quiet as a teardrop, steady coming and it won't stop. When you can hear your own self think, that's the sound of a lonely. No, I can hear time a-passing in the still of the night. I hear footsteps in the hallway when I turn out the lights. And as quiet as a mouse, your memory sneaks on in, and I know that I'm playing a game that I can't win. Every time I grab the pillow and hold it over my ears, I get this funny feeling, 'cause the only sound I hear is the sound of a lonely sneaking up on me. That's the sound of a heartbreak calling my name. As quiet as a teardrop, steady coming and it won't stop. When you can hear your own self think, that's the sound of a lonely. When you can hear your own self think, that's the sound